Okay, let me show you one of the trader tools that is in our group and that is being refined and massaged. So I want to talk about this today because I think it's important. It's going to help you. So the way this worked out is I changed this time frame to central, which is this time, so it's easy for me to match up. So when the market opened at about 8:30 or whatever, we got this 8-point candle on a 3-minute chart as the second candle, alerting you, hey, 8-point candle. Now later in the day, I took out this word ES and just put the word alert. So there's an 8-point candle, it'll say alert, 8-point candle. Then you've got somewhere in here, trend check. Trend check. I'm not going to say price is turning around or all that is an alert to check your trend. Check your trend. Then we got another 8-point candle. Then you got another right in here, trend check warning. Then price started to move, another 8-point candle, another 8-point candle, and then careful counter trading. How cool is this message? Careful counter trading, especially at this moment in time. Then you got another 8-point candle. Then you got another warning in here. Careful counter trading, parabolic. Parabolic. I think this is really cool. Oh, I forgot to take a screenshot. So there's another check trend here. Of course, another 8-point candle warning. So we had 14 8-point candles today. Crazy. Then about 1 o'clock, somewhere in here, check trend. And then somewhere about 1:27, check trend. Check trend. Then 8-point candle warning and another check trend warning. Another 8-point candle warning. Another 8-point candle warning. Another 8-point candle warning. Another 8-point candle warning. Alert. Careful. Counter trading. And I'm certain if the market would have been open more, you would have gotten a careful counter trading parabolic message. So these do not tell you trades. It's to alert you. 8-point candle land means you better be careful. You are in the sea of irrational price action. Now, our system still yielded 7 for 7 trades today. It was fantastic. We saw the day well. But this should help you, especially when I don't trade lunch and you're trading lunch, or I don't trade the afternoon and you're trading afternoon. I look forward to getting my members' feedback on this to help you stay on sides and be alerted to when you need to be checking trend, when you might be in an environment of counter trading and you might be in a parabolic move. If you'd like to trade with us live, check us out at microstrader.com.